Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Ventla. Today I'm going to show you how to download, register, and activate your event inside the Ventla app. First things first, your event administrator will distribute a direct link to the event. I have mine housed in an email right here, so I'm going to start off by clicking on this link. Once I click the link, it's going to take me over to my mobile browser and ask me how I'd like to join the event. Since I'm on a mobile phone, I'm going to go ahead and click Open in Mobile App. On the next page, go ahead and click Open and you'll be taken to the App Store, or if you're on an Android device, to the Google Play Store to download the app. So go ahead and start downloading the app right now. Okay, once the app has downloaded, go ahead and click Open, and Ventla is going to ask if they can send you notifications. Make sure to allow this. And now we need to register with our email. So go ahead and type in your email. Once you have your email typed in, go ahead and check that box near the bottom to accept our privacy policy and click Next. Now we need to verify our email with a 4-digit code that was sent to our email from Ventla. So just give that a few moments to come in. I have my code right here, 6712. Now, if for whatever reason, if you have any problems receiving the code, you can go ahead and verify with a Microsoft or a Google account. If you don't have a Google account or don't want to use those accounts, go ahead and click Contact our support team for assistance at the bottom. This will send an automated email to support@ventla.io, and then a support representative on the back end can generate a 4-digit code and send it back to you. Now, once you have the code typed in, go ahead and click Next. Now you will be redirected to the event in the Ventla app. As you can see, I am now in the Atlantic Conference on the Ventla app. Thanks everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day.